Hello? Voice check, 1, 2, 3. Voice check, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, sorry for that little voice check. I hope you guys can hear me. And I'm back with another reaction. Today I'm reacting. Well, before I do that, I think you guys like it when I react to Cartoon Cat stuff. So I'm gonna start doing more of that content. I'm gonna start doing more of the content of reacting more to the Cartoon Cat stuff. Since that's what you guys see. I'm gonna start doing more content, guys, on Cartoon Cat. If you guys didn't hear that part. And guys, this art was made by Cartoon Cat, Hydrant. I don't know if he has good content, but he has lots of subscribers, so I guess he does. So let's react to this, and we're gonna do like a little bit more reactions to Cartoon Cat, since that's what you guys like, because I got 39 views on Cartoon Cat, Backstory Part 3, and then 44 today. You guys really like Cartoon Cat stuff when I react to it. So I'm gonna start doing more Cartoon Cat reactions just for you guys. And thank you guys, I finally hit 4 subscribers. And guys, get ready. I'm for the 90, get ready guys. A special video is coming out. On what I made up to 90, let's see, 93 videos. On the 100 video, guys, I'm going to, the 100 video is going to be a special one. You guys are going to enjoy it and love it. At this time, you know how I make videos solo? This time it's got a video being not solo. Okay, enough talking. Let's get on to this video, guys. There might be some times where I need, you know, pause the video there and do a little pausing there, pausing that, and you know. So, but anyway, let's get on to this video.
It's just a rerun.
Oh, God, look at this creepier.
My favorite episode. It's a game of cat and mouse.
Right.
You're the mouse.
Oh, no, I ain't. I run it.
You're gonna run and scream.
Why would you run? Why would you run? I will. Oh, his eyes, though, bro. Eyes got creepy.
Parts being cut off and trails being
they glitching.
bones being shattered to dust. Now, you try to hide, but I am gonna get ya.
Bruh! No! So you mean not hide anywhere I think there's nothing?
Gonna get you good.
Oh.
Why, just last night, I played the game with the little girl. She thought
Little girl.
so cute. She tried to pet me, but I may have been
Oh!
enough.
Oh, die!
She ran.
Bro!
She
It's so kind of graphic. No, you know when they get that neck like that, that's how you know you need to run.
I crept through the shadows, my steps reverberating.
I don't know what that means.
To myself, knowing that fear was filling the child.
Okay, okay.
Eyes gave away her position.
Really? I sniffle.
So,
Yeah,
I
sniffle.
punched around the corner. I told her, you have nothing to worry about. I know I hurt you, but I didn't mean to. I came closer to her.
Oh!
I meant to kill you.
Nigga, run! Nigga, run! Run! Don't why do you have to go closer?
She screamed again.
Oh, why he crying, bro? I would've cried. I'd say, okay, if that's how I'm gonna end up,
I grabbed her
take me.
by the leg and swung her up over my head and down onto the floor.
Wait, why?
Again and again and again.
I like how it zooms in. Like,
Pushing her face into oblivion.
why can't we see it? Oh!
And eventually, she died.
Bro!
I wonder how you're gonna do.
Oh, no, you run! Run! Run!
Aberration, the absence of all light.
Run! Oh, no, I'm turning red. Run! That's how you know he's angry. Rob, why are you still looking? I would have ran by the time you let me go. Run! Run!
Start running.
Why are you still looking at me? Okay, guys, hope you like that reaction. I'll be back with more reactions soon on Cartoon Cat. And guys, be aware I'm gonna be making a Cartoon Cat song. And then, like I said before, if you guys didn't hear, thank you for the views on Cartoon Cat stuff I reacted to. And thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. So, I'll be seeing you guys later. And if you guys want me to react to any more Cartoon Cat stuff, or anything else, like the Cartoon Cat Lost episode, or Cartoon Cat Best Friends, Cartoon Cat vs. Siren Head, or whatever I will react to. Leave in the comments down below what you want me to react to other about Cartoon Cat, because I will do all these reactions for you guys. Okay, bye.